So I'm in Ashling, and I've been hired to clean the living room carpet. So yeah, there's quite a bit of furniture. I've just moved that, but now I just came to the burnt dust, which is just carried out, and I know for sure it is not wool carpet. So the weather's not good. But yeah, I'm going to go in and carry out a vacuum cleaning, and yeah, let me just show you what the carpet looks like. Yeah, there'll be some hopefully great finish. So this is the carpet. There's a bit of soil. My job is to get this. Look how dark this is. There's a lot of soil. Yeah, it's not been done for a while. Apparently this ghost, yeah, it's not sheltering or anything, it just sits in one of the rooms, so yeah, no problem. But yeah, how interesting. You want to get past?
You're doing a good... No, I'm just strictly... You're just hoovering it.
Yeah, that's step number one, and pre-vacuum it.
You have to hoover it well, don't you?
Yeah, that's step number one. It's the main thing.
Yeah. Do you want a cup of tea or something?
Go on then.
I'll make one.
I'll have black cup of tea with no sugar or no milk.
No milk, no sugar.
That's me. Yeah, pretty boring.
Okay.
I am.
Black tea.
That's me.
I'm just going to make myself one.
That's very kind. I really appreciate that. Thank you. So I've done the mechanical agitation. As you can see, it's already looking, well, it's already looking so much better in comparison to what it was. That's the mechanical agitation machine over there. So yeah, you just need to take that to the van now, and I will be then getting my hot water extraction machine and the carpet cleaning machine and start washing it all out. So yeah, let's go and get it. it's all done now. So look at the difference down there. We didn't do this carpet here, but we did do this one. So yeah, look at the incredible difference. I mean, this is really dark here. It looks actually brand new, like literally brand new. It's a real good carpet. Well, the customer actually said they bought this carpet in Selsley, in the carpet place. Obviously we're not in Selsley. It's a bit of a way to go for get carpet, but yeah. This is quite a while back. Probably about 14 years ago, I think. But what a difference. I'm really proud of this carpet. I'm really proud of what I've done. I'm sure I'll be back to do this one. I'd offer to do it today. I hit my head a couple of times here. It doesn't pay to be too tall. But yeah, I'd offer to do it today, but I've got 2 more cleans stacked. I can't be running late, so it'll have to be another job if I'm asked to do it again. I'll offer it, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I'd be surprised if I'm not asked, to be honest.